What makes you cry? The key thing is separation. Some people will cry over moving. Some people will cry over, I miss my old house. Got a lot of memories there. If your dog died, you cry. Oh, no, y'all laughing. I cried like a baby. My dog died. I had to go out the back door. Come this way, Pastor Hennings. Come. My wife was holding my dog. And her eyes was open looking at me in my wife's lap. And they gave her the sodium pentothal. Didn't even take much because her heart was weak. And she was looking. And they said, that's it. She's gone. And I'm like, she's looking at me. He said, she died with her eyes open. And my wife said she felt the dog's weight shift when she died. I wrote it in my notes. Don't run on this part. When you experience death, there's got to be a shift or something hasn't died. When you got saved, there should have been a shift because your old man died. And I'm not crying over what I used to be. I'm crying for the more of God. Has anybody experienced a shift since you've been saved? I don't know what he's talking about. Then you haven't experienced death. But my old man has got to die. Tell somebody, kill your old man. You still lying? He ain't dead. You still cussing folk out? He ain't dead. Still backbiting and gossiping? He ain't dead. And he's a she too. She ain't dead either. And when your old man won't die, you got to kill him. And if you don't feel a shift, ain't nothing died. The mortician calls it dead weight. And some of us have been bringing dead bodies to church for years, stinking up this place, experiencing phagocytosis, which is the decomposition of the flesh because you won't let go of what you used to be. Now you're putting perfume on top of your decay, putting on cologne over top of your rotting. And people don't have enough nerve to tell you you stink, you smell bad. Your old man came here. You should have left your old man in the grave.